Guys, recording. Here we go. Rolling sound. What?
When your cats are hungry, you should always feed them the good stuff. The stuff that they know is good for them and always hits the spot.
What the fuck are you doing? Are you professional or not?
Yes, I am.
I'm trying to fucking do a scene here and I'm going,
I'm not trying to trap.
you are trashing my scene. You do it one more fucking time and I ain't walking on this set if you're still hired. You're a nice guy, but I don't fucking cut it when you're bullshitting and fucking around like this on set.